Now we are going to show you the process of data validation. What is data validation? Data validation is a feature in Excel which is used to control what users can enter into a cell. It allows you to dictate specific rules. It also allows users to display a custom message if users try to enter invalid data. Here we can see some data and some question. What's your name? What's your birth date? Mention your gender, state your relationship status, state what is your academic qualification, which year did you attend for public examination recently, what is your profession, what is your current income level. So we go to first question, what's your name? For this data validation we have to first go to data validation and again data validation. For name we can select any value, and here is a input message for the what's your name. Write your name. Your full name. And here is a error alert for this data. Here title is and error message, and then click OK. Here now showing a comment. Write your name, your full name. We can write now. Next question is mention your gender. For this data validation we go to data validation settings. For gender we can select list and source male female. Input message, select your gender. You can copy this and paste in input message. Here error alert, only gender allowed, gender only, and press OK. Here a comment box is opened, male and female. If a person wants to write a number, the data will not be received. So you have to select only male or female. Then another question is state your relationship status. We also validate this data going to data validation settings. This also list, and source is married, single, divorce. Here a input message, type your relation status. And copy this and paste here. Here is the error alert, only select relationship status. You can copy this and paste here error message box and click OK. Here also a comment box open, married, single, divorce. Here only allowed There's three information. What is your academic qualification? For this data we can go to data validation. Here also we have to select list. Source SSC, HSC, honors. Input message academic qualification. Error alert only academic information and press OK. Then we are going to another data validation, public examination recently. Data validation, list, source, input message, exam recent, error box, same message, here we can see 2016, 18, 22. What is next question is what is your profession? For profession we have to go to data validation, settings, list, select job service, only profession, only profession. Okay, you can select your profession easily. What is your income level? For this data validation we have to go to data validation, settings, list, whole number greater than or equal to minimum 50,000. Okay. If a person wants to write 10,000, the data will be not received. So you have to type greater than 50,000.